Titan Hammerhead Shark Test Flight. Today's video is not very positive. The cause has been identified after all accidents. I don't know that all the model aircraft bosses here will have the same opinion as me. You can tell me what you think is the cause of the accident. These are two clues: reborn from the ashes, reborn from the ashes. I said this is automatic obstacle avoidance. Do you believe it? The second accident came. This plane jumped in the sky. I will name it Chen Shuesen Ballistic for the time being. Prepare to land. It can't fly anymore. I thought it was reborn from the ashes. Unexpectedly, just fell down.